guys, autofanatic. So this is going to be a winter detail prep on my Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The car was properly cleaned outside the garage. It's 27 degrees right now. I'm fortunate enough that I have a good gas heater in my garage with insulated garage doors. The temperature on the paint is about 58 degrees to 62 degrees, and that's what we want. So the car looks phenomenal. There's no scratches. There's no real correction that's going to have to be done, but the car has to be decontaminated. I have to properly clean the paint, and I'm going to apply the wax protectant for the winter, and I'm going to show you that. We're not going to address the wheels and tires. Those are going to come off the car most likely later on today or tonight, and we're going to put the winter wheel and tire package that's already cleaned and on my Max Hall wheel and tire dolly on the other side of the garage. So let me get the camera off the tripod, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about as far as the decontamination. Alright guys, so I just want to show you, I have my LED light in my hand. I want to kind of get close up just to show you the condition of my paint. And I'm going to drag the light with the camera across my fender. And you guys can see that there's no scratches, there's no swirl marks. And you know what, I think I'm going to turn the light off in the garage and see if this shows up better on camera. Hold on. Alright guys, so I just turned all my fluorescent lights off in the garage, most of the larger ones, and I'm just dragging my switchblade LED light across the paint just to show you guys the condition of the paint. Okay, this is from being a fanatic, using my own products, my techniques, and properly maintaining my cars. And this is black paint, and black cars do not lie. So let me just move the light out of the way, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why we're doing this. So the hood, the roof, and the deck lid usually are the worst when it comes to contaminants settling on the cars. The side panels on the car are usually not so bad, but I could feel this, and it feels terrible. So just wanted to show you guys why we're doing this and why I'm doing this, because you don't want to put a wax, a sealant, or a ceramic coating on top of this. You're going to have nothing but problems. I am not a fan of iron activator products and strip washes. There's really no need for that, and I'm going to show you guys quick and easy how I'm going to protect my car for the winter, because I did the same process last year and it worked phenomenal. And I test a lot of products on this car over the last 12 months as well, and you guys watch the content on my channel and how well it looks. So let's go over to the workbench. I'll show you guys exactly what we're going to be using today, and I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to show you condensed version. So on this side of the table, I have my OptiCut foam polishing pads, the yellow pads and the blue pads, which I may or not use. Also have my infrared thermometer to make sure that the paint temperature is up to speed, because otherwise I'm going to have nothing but a struggle trying to get the wax off the car. Got some Griot's PFM dual weave wax removal towels, and I also have a detail towel, Meguiar's yellow applicator pads. I have a microfiber wax applicator pad. I have Decon Prep. You guys have seen this in my Black Friday video. Autofanatic secret weapon. This is to take any marring from claying the surface and little micro scratches, and this is going to properly clean the paint. We have the Rupes fine machine polish. If I need to polish any panel in the car, we're pretty much going to kiss the panel with the yellow pad and my Makita P05000C forced rotation machine. Now, you guys have seen this on my channel many times, and I've kind of swear by the Colonite 915, but that's a show quality wax. It's not a winter wax. 476 double coat. This is a good wax, but I have found through testing that Soft99 Fusso coat is far more durable and far superior as far as self-cleaning protection during the winter months, and that's exactly what we want. So this is a PTFE Teflon infused synthetic wax that we're going to apply. Very difficult to apply and remove. It could be very finicky. That's why I have my infrared thermometer here. I want to make sure that the temperature of the panels is optimal, between 55 to 65 degrees. As soon as the temperature gets lower than that, there's going to be condensation on the panel. It's going to react with this product, and it's going to make it an absolute nightmare to get off. Paint cleaning clay, Meguiar's Professional Medium Cleaning Clay, because my car is so well kept, I don't have to go with the red aggressive, but this is the best cleaning clay that I highly recommend. Definitely want some nitrile gloves. I use the Venom Steel nitrile gloves. You've seen those on my channel. Got Autofanatic 007 Gloss Enhancer. This is the most outstanding clay lubricant, and the more lubrication you have while you're doing this process, you're going to eliminate the chances of marring and scratching up your paint. Now, during the wash phase, this is what we're going to be using. You guys remember this from last year? This is a PTFE cleansing product made for the marine industry, but it works outstanding on the cars to reactivate the road salt and pull it off the car. So this is going to be the solution you're going to see in upcoming videos. We're going to be using the Salt Off, and being that the Salt Off is a Teflon PTFE line product, it is compatible with the PTFE Soft99 Fusso coat, and that's why I'm going to do this today, and this is why I'm going to recommend this to you guys. Now, as far as washes, I'm going to be continuing to use the autofanatic 007 Snowstorm. Outstanding self-cleaning properties, incredible lubrication. So during the winter months, when the car is trashed and salty and messed up, we're going to be using this stuff. After each wash, I'm going to liberally spray the car down with the autofanatic 007 gloss enhancer and a Griot's Garage PFM towel, because you want to have the maximum protection you can during the winter months. Now, also during the process, I'll show you guys, I'm going to be using my LED light. I also have my Maxion LED light here. We're going to go through the panels, but I'm going to give a condensed version of this video. Now, if any panel has to get polished, it's going to get done with the Makita over here with a yellow pad and the Rupes Fine Polish. The car does not need a full-blown solid paint correction. There's no damage on the car, and like I said, you guys saw the intro of the video. So let's get started right now. I'm going to show you guys, we're going to clay a panel on the back of the car. I'm going to show you how I do it, and then we're going to go step by step, and we're going to finish up that one panel, get the Fusso 99 on there. This is probably going to take me about 2 hours. So let's get started right now. All right, guys, so I got the camera set up on the back window, and I just want to go over this again before I clay it. This is the roof panel. You can hear that right there. So the microphone definitely is going to pick that up. Now, you can see the lights are directly on it. There's no scratches, there's no swirl marks, but we want to get that contaminant surface completely clean. So I'm going to spray it liberally with the autofanatic 007 gloss enhancer. Now, if you do this process right and you don't get stingy on your lubricant, you're going to guarantee that you're going to do a good job without causing more damage to your paint. Now, I need the Meguiar's Professional Cleaning Clay. I have a glove on my left hand. I have no glove on my right hand. Now, the reason I have a glove on my left hand is this is the hand that I'm going to be applying the clay. So as I move back and forth on the surface, I like to have the back end of my palm, right by my wrist, glide across the surface with it. So with the glove on, I could hear it and I could feel it to see if I missed any spots going across the surface. And you probably could hear that on camera as far as what's going on right now. And also, when you clay a car, don't dig in your paint with the clay. You want to pretty much let the weight of your hand and the clay do the job. So I go back and forth, and then I'll do a crisscross pattern just to make sure I got good coverage. If you trash your paint, now you're going to have to do a full paint correction because you got lazy and you used an inferior product or cheap clays, or you didn't use a fresh piece of clay. So you can see that on camera. That is some of the junk that just came off the roof of my car. And we're just going to use, this is a Griot's Garage PFM. This is like, I use this to do jams. This is like the drying towels that I use. This is just a smaller version, a little bit easier to handle. And it's already saturated with water because I like to wipe down with a damp towel rather than a dry towel, because we don't want to introduce any kind of dry-induced scratches while you're wiping the panel down. Now, I got my infrared thermometer here. I just want to see the temperature of the paint. So we're at 65 degrees. 65 degrees Fahrenheit. You guys can probably see that on camera. So the temperature is ideal for what we want to do. Now, I'm going to take my hand with no glove. You can tell that there's nothing left on this paint. So let's get the camera over to the driver's side fender, and we're going to work on that panel right now. Okay, driver's side fender. So it's a little bit rough up top. You could probably hear that on camera. So we're just going to repeat the process. But now, on this panel, not only am I going to clay it, and we want to saturate this panel well, because like I said, this is the visible part of the car, and you don't want to see scratches on any of that stuff. And same process, we flipped over to clay, got a fresh surface. Nice and easy. We're going to concentrate just on panel per panel. We're not going to want to, I don't like to do the whole car and rush through it. I like to do panel per panel and analyze and inspect to make sure I do a really good job. Wipe that down. Now, by the naked eye, not only does this driver's side fender look perfect, but I'm going to take it a step further because this is going to be properly cleaned. I want to bring the shine back up a little bit more. Claying the car, if you're very careful, it's not going to haze the paint up too much, but I just want to take it a step further, and I'm going to show you how I do that right now. Alright guys, so the next step of decontamination and cleaning my paint is the autofanatic Ultimate Secret Weapon single step. Brand new white microfiber pad. I like the white pads because you can actually see what's going on. You don't want to use a gray or a black pad, especially when you're decontaminating the paint. You just can't see what you're doing. So we're going to give the product a good shake. Like that. We're going to apply some to the microfiber wax pad, like I show you right there. And then we're just going to pretty much apply it just the way you would any other wax. But I like to do this in a circular motion just for the cleaning action of this product. And I'm going to show you guys, even though we clayed the paint, there's still going to be some stuff left over. That's just the nature of detailing and being meticulous, because the preparation is the key if you guys want to do a really good job. See right here, there's a little bit of a tar mark. And whenever you see anything in the light, just go over it with moderate pressure. And that's it. Now, if you guys could see this on camera, if you could pick it up, this pad has some brown in it. And that is some of the contaminants that were left behind on the paint. Even though I clayed it, that's why I like to also do this step as well. So, we're not going to go crazy with this. Just going to take one of my inexpensive microfiber towels. Just going to give it a quick wipe down. The stuff flashes quick. And we're done with that. Now, step 3. I'm going to take my IPA Decon Prep solution. Mist the panel liberally. We have a new towel. And this is going to take any of the waxes and oils left behind from the Ultimate Secret Weapon, because that's what we don't want. We want to have this surface completely bare with no protection on it. That's it, we're done. You feel the surface, it feels like glass. There's nothing left on this paint. Perfectly cleaned. So we're going to get the Soft99 Fusso. So here we go here. Soft99 Fusso. Go with a nice, even, light, even coat of this product. And with the Fusso 99, it's not the greatest smelling product, but I'm using it because of the incredible durability and self-cleaning properties that I've found during testing. This stuff works incredible. For the money, I tell you right now, this is going to be a lot easier to do and upkeep than a ceramic coating, especially if you get damage, something hits the car, you got to do some paint correction on your own. This is going to be a lot easier to maintain the car, especially on a daily driven car. It's not going to give you the pop that I like out of the Colonite 915, but I'll just show you guys right here. So that's the thin layer of Soft99 Fusso coat right there. So we're not going to let it flash very long. Otherwise I'll be sitting here all day trying to take it off. Creo's Garage PFM wax removal towels. And these towels are absolutely outstanding. And as you're taking it off, you may get some white residue with this product. That's just the nature of the PTFE powder that is emulsified with the solvent base. But don't worry about that, because the trick that I found with this product to become effective is you've got to properly clean the paint and decontaminate it like I showed you. Proper wash, clay bar, use a polish or something light to really go over it and make sure everything is off. IPA wipe. Make sure the panel temperature is also not freezing cold. Because when I first started using this, I did a video on my channel. I had nothing but struggles with this because it was like 40 degrees out. And I had hazing and streaking all over my car. So that's that. And I'm going to grab my light and I'm going to show you guys the finished result. Alright guys, so here we are. The driver's side front fender. The light might blow out the camera a little bit. But you guys can see that there. You can see the gloss, you can see the reflectivity. There's no scratches, no swirls, nothing. So, I hope you guys got some tips and tricks in preparing your car for winter. Maybe you guys already did it. Let me know what you guys are using, but I highly recommend this process of claying the car with the Meguiar's clay, giving it a light cleanse with the Autofanatic Ultimate Secret Weapon single step, Gion Prep, and Fusso, Soft99 Fusso coat. And I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to see a substantial ease of cleaning your car in the winter with road salt and all the crap that gets caked on over the winter months. And you're going to stay tuned. There's going to be some new winter wash videos, and I'm going to show you guys a new pressure washer that I'm going to be using on the channel, specifically for these wash videos real soon. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to the channel for more automotive content. Please like, subscribe, and share. And hope you guys are getting your cars all prepped for winter, because it's one of the worst times of the year and it causes havoc on your car. But you can see my car here, daily driven, already through one winter last year, which was really bad. And with my meticulous upkeep, the car is flawless. So I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned to the channel for more content, and please visit auto-fanatic.com to pick up some Autofanatic car care. And I'll see you guys on the next video soon.